Here's 3 secrets for fitness and fat loss success after the age of 40, and nobody's talking about this. Number 1 is that metabolism is everything. If you're over the age of 40, you already know how hard, frustrating, and challenging it becomes to lose weight, drop fat, and drop inches. And that is because of one thing, and that is your metabolism. When we can reset and rebuild your sluggish metabolism, that is the big domino that once we push that over, everything else becomes that much easier. You start to lose weight, you start to lose the inches, you start to get stronger, you start to have more energy, you start to have more confidence. That is the number 1 goal, is to reset your metabolism. Everything else becomes easier or even irrelevant once you do that one thing. Number 2, secret number 2, is you need to learn to work with your body and not against your body. You're in a new season of life. You're in a new chapter. What worked in our 20s and our 30s doesn't work anymore. Those soul-crushing workouts, those hard-hit workouts, that extended cardio, it doesn't do anything anymore. In fact, it does more harm than good. Those doomed to fail starvation diets. When I was in my 20s and 30s, I could skip a few meals. That weight just came off. It doesn't happen anymore. It's a new chapter, new phase of life. It's time to work with your biology and not against it. What does that mean? It means you need to find a program that is customized for you, that is the right exercises, that is the right nutrition, the right recovery, things we didn't think about in our 20s and our 30s. Recovery, sleep, all those things matter after the age of 40. And last, number 3, this is the biggest secret of all, is that sustainability is everything. Because nobody cares if you lose 20 pounds and gain it back. We all know people who have. Oh, they lost the weight, it came right back. Nobody cares if you lose the weight. We don't want this to be a short-term fix. We want this to be a long-term solution. So sustainability, to be able to lose the weight, to drop the fat, more importantly, is to get the control, to get the confidence, to regain all of that, to know that, okay, I am now in control of my health. I am now in control of my fitness. I am in control of my wellness. That means more than just losing a few pounds for a summer vacation. So no matter where you're at in your health and fitness and fat loss journey, focus on those 3 secrets and you'll get the results that you desire and deserve.